and Red Sox. It was Jackie Robinson Day, but also the 4-year anniversary of the Boston Marathon bombing. After Jake Odorizzi leaves the game with a hamstring injury in the second, Mitch Moreland takes Erasmo Ramirez deep on his first pitch, 1-0 Red Sox. His top 5 and Chris Sale looking sharp as he strikes out the side. Top 7, he adds another 2 strikeouts to end his day. He goes 7 innings, striking out 12 and allowing just 1 earned run. Bottom of the 7th, game tied, and with the bases loaded, Sandy Leon grounds out to second, but the run would come in and the Sox would take a 2-1 lead. Top 8, Matt Barnes looking to get out of the jam, and wish granted as Evan Longoria grounds into a double play to end the threat. Sox win this one 2-1. Chris Sale improves to 1-1 on the year. Mookie Betts has not struck out in his last 114 regular season plate appearances. That's the longest active streak in the majors. Game 3 of the 4-game set will be on Sunday as Alex Cobb squares off against Drew Pomeranz.